Question number 9 and 10 today, page number 74 and 75. You only have to subtract and add. In question number 9, you have to add. In question number 10, you have to subtract. First 6 questions have been arranged for you. Last 3 questions you have to arrange by yourself. When you arrange the numbers, make sure that the decimal points are in the same line. That way, other numbers are arranged the way they should be. For example, 12.08 minus 8.17. Don't write 8 under 1. Girls, look at the screen. After that, you can start doing your work. 8, don't write 8 under 1, because if you write 8 under 1, then the point would come under 2, which will be wrong. So you have to arrange them in a way that the decimal points should be aligned. Wherever you have only whole number, for example 42, you have to make it decimal by putting 0.00. You can write either 0.0 or 0.00. It depends on the other number. For example, 30.23, you have 2 decimal places here, so you're going to put 2 zeros here. If you have 1 decimal place here, you will just put 0, 1 0. Doesn't matter how many zeros you're putting. For subtraction, please be careful that whenever you have smaller number at the top, you borrow from the other digit. You borrow from the neighbor. If the neighbor doesn't have that, borrow from the next neighbor. Be careful with the subtraction questions. For addition, they're easier, obviously. Start doing that. Only speak when you have a question. Otherwise, just raise your hand if you're done. 74, sorry, question number 9, question number 10. If you have any problem, please ask me.
Teacher, will you confirm the answers for yesterday's work?
Once we're done till 10, then we'll confirm the answer for all of them. If you don't understand anything, girls, please ask me.
Teacher,
Yes.
in the question number 10, the part C, is it important to write a 0?
No, under one, no, no. But if it's the missing number is on the top, it must be. You must write 0 because then you have to borrow.
Okay. Teacher, in question 9, part I, it should be 5.00.
Yes. Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
in the question 10, G, part G, um, do do we need to put the 0
At the bottom, you don't have to really because
no, at the top?
answer. At the top, you must.
So 3.9 will come at the top, right?
No, the first number comes on the top.
Okay. Teacher, in the question 10, part D, it's written 40.10 minus 2.08. So when we'll make 0 10 and we'll make 1 0, then do we need to add
No, because
like
zero minus 0 is 0. You can do this step like that. You don't have to borrow for this step now.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Teacher, in question 10 part C, the 1 has become 0, so do we need to write it down?
Doesn't matter if you do or don't. Either way, it's same. Because 0 before the whole number has no value, even if you write it or you don't. Both ways it's correct.
Teacher, in question 9 part C, I'm actually all done. I was checking. Can you tell me in question 9 part C, do I need to put the 0 like in the end?
Question 9. It doesn't matter because 2 plus 0 or you should see if it's making a change or no. It doesn't make any change, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
If you're confused that where to add 0 and where you don't, then you can put zeros everywhere for addition and for subtraction if you're confused. But the point is, add it where it makes any difference.
Okay. Teacher, in part D, question 10, when it comes for 0 minus 0, we have to borrow or just minus?
Now, we only borrow if the top number is smaller. This one is not smaller, this one is equal. 0 minus 0 is 0.
Okay.
Okay, girls, you can leave the meeting. Please make sure you complete it so that tomorrow I can ask you the answers. Allah Hafiz,
Last
everyone.
teacher.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah
teacher.